really appreciate the partnership we've got with the city here, that we've got with the county, the state, and we're really happy you all could join us today. And we're really happy to have Jerry, the DTE team here, to announce the second largest purchase agreement for clean power in the U.S. history. The agreement really supports our goal, as James said, right? Really getting to carbon neutrality and 100% decarbonization across our 70 manufacturing and non-manufacturing sites. This is going to go a long way to support our global objectives too, which is zero by the time we hit 2038. You know, specifically though, we're going to have 400 megawatts of renewable solar energy right here on the Michigan power grid. But it's enough to power 130,000 homes each year, or 2.5 times the number of residents here in Sterling Heights. It's a big, big win for all of us. It's going to help us avoid emitting 670,000 metric tons of carbon dioxide, and it's going to reduce our carbon footprint by 50% here across North America in Stellantis. By 26, every vehicle we're manufacturing in Southeast Michigan is going to be assembled with the equivalent of 100% carbon-free electricity. A big, big change.
This investment in Michigan's future will help us add some of the largest new solar projects in the state. Projects that will reduce carbon emissions and help us transition to a much cleaner energy future. I'm proud to say that DTE was one of the first utilities in the country to establish a high-level carbon reduction goal, and we continue to take bold steps to accelerate our progress. In fact, just a few weeks ago, we announced our plan to accelerate our exit from coal power and power the grid with clean energy, like more Michigan-made renewable energy. All of these solar energy investments will be in our home state here in Michigan. So they'll be built by Michigan workers and run by Michigan workers, so we're pretty proud about that.